Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I made this braided wig from the scratch. Okay, so if you're interested in this, please kindly stick back and watch to the end. I've already fixed the frontal on the cap, on the cap. So first of all, I resized the frontal. Okay, I have a video where I showed how I resized my frontals before using them for braiding, since it's a weaving, so that it will enter the ear very well. All right, so I've already braided this hair before. As you can see, the ones I've braided already, but then it did not give me the curves I want. That's the zigzag I wanted, so I had to lose them and start again from the beginning. Okay, so this is exactly how I did it. I started from the beginning because I wanted the curves to be longer, and all that. This is how it looked before when I started it. Then I lost it because it was not what I wanted, so I just had to start again from the beginning and started making it to give me that that effect and everything. So kindly keep watching so that you understand how I am making it. So this is the part I after parting it, then I'll use a small crochet pin, and crochet the other part of the hair that there is no hair. You understand, the part of the cap that there is no hair. Okay, so this is how it actually looks like. You understand? You see the way I did my hand, that's how the zigzag is going. So I will start braiding it. Maybe when I braid the next one, or maybe after braiding it, you will see the direction it went to. Okay, so that's it, guys. And at this point, if you love what you're seeing, please kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video. Comment down below what you love about this video, and please do not forget to share this video to people that you know that also needs to learn this. All right, also watch my other videos to learn more on braided wigs. We also do skincare videos here, and of course vlog videos. So please kindly go through my channel to see other interesting videos you might love. One tip you should know on that's very important in this particular hairstyle is using of pins. Okay, especially the places that has the curves. All right, the places is a zigzag, so those places that has the curve, make sure you use a pin to hold them down. And this pin, I also use them when I want to apply to pour hot water on the hair. I don't remove those pins. So what I do is I pour the hot water on the hair directly. It's a wig, so that the curves will stay. The hot water will also make it stay and last longer. So one of the reason I didn't lose the hair, okay, the first one I made before making this video, okay, is so that you will see the difference in the one I made before and the one I am doing now. Okay, that's why I did not lose in prior to making this video, so that you will see the difference of the curves. If you see the first one that is up there, you will see where the curve starts and where I curve it into the cap. Okay, so that's why I wanted to show you the difference. So, and now you can see the difference of the hair I made before and now. All right. So the weaving on that side is up to, I think, 7 or 8. I didn't count, but then I made sure it was past the middle. You understand what I mean? It was past the middle side. So when I'm done with the weaving on the right hand side, I didn't start from the beginning again. Just watch the video. I think you have to watch closely so that you understand what I'm trying to do. All right, you don't start from beginning, then you start from where the curve starts and start braiding. Okay, do not also forget to, if you've watched my previous videos on how to make braided wig, you understand that it's not today I like crocheting my wigs. I love crocheting them past the frontal to, I don't like whenever I wear my wigs you see where the frontal stops and where it starts and all those stuffs. So I like crocheting past the frontal so that you would think is the frontal is longer, or maybe is a full lace, all right, by just watching at it. So guys, keep watching to the end to see the end results of the wig. Again, kindly note that you must not put your dummy head on your laps for you to make your hair. You can put it on the stand, but since this particular method is I'm already used to it, okay, so putting my dummy head on the stand is always difficult for me to handle. So I like putting it on my laps, holding it in between my laps to work on it. All right. So after doing the 2 pieces in between, I had to do like about 5 pieces again. Then that's the end of the first part. Then I redid what I did on the right hand side on the left hand side. So in case you did not get to see how I started the other parts, this is exactly how I did it. So you can just watch through the video and that's it, guys. If you watch to this extent, that means you love what you're seeing on this channel. So please kindly subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Please support your girl, support me, subscribe to my channel, please. And also share my videos, guys. Share my video, because I know you're not the only person that will love this video. I know your friends will love it. I know your sisters will love it. I know your vendor will love it too. Okay, show her this video and tell her this is what you want. All right, kindly order your wigs from us too. All right, all the wigs you see us do here, most of them are for clients too. All right, are for customers, so you can also order your wigs from us and we are at your service. Guys, please don't kill me. Most of the videos, the records of these videos, I lost them, so I didn't show the ending part. But then when you know how to weave it first and second side, you already know everything about this wig. Alright, just the back, I didn't show how I did the back. So guys, this is the end result of the wig. This is how it looks. This is how beautiful it looks, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. See you in my next video. Bye.